Shabby Chic. Christmas holiday with vintage charm. There's something magical about a shabby chic Christmas, a celebration of understated elegance, vintage charm, and a sprinkle of DIY creativity. Imagine twinkling lights reflecting off distressed wood, soft pastel ornaments, and rustic details that make your home feel like a cozy winter wonderland. This unique style takes the traditional reds and greens of Christmas and softens them into delicate whites, pinks, and silvers, creating a serene yet festive ambience. If you've ever wanted to transform your holiday decor into something truly unique, Shabby Chic is your chance to channel your inner designer. Think lace stockings hung by the fireplace, ornaments made from vintage-inspired materials, and wreaths of frosted eucalyptus adorned with hand-painted pine cones. It's not just a theme, it's a way to tell your story through textures, colors, and memories. The Shabby Chic Christmas palette is all about subtlety. Swap out bold reds for soft blush pinks, mossy greens for sage, and bright golds for muted champagne tones. Combine these colors with natural materials, burlap ribbons, wooden accents, and frosted greenery to achieve that effortlessly elegant look. One centerpiece idea that screams shabby chic is a rustic wooden tray filled with pastel candles, faux snow, and vintage baubles. Place it on your dining table or coffee table for an instant conversation starter. And don't forget the lighting. Warm fairy lights or string lights wrapped around bare branches can transform even the simplest corner into a dreamy festive scene. The best part about Shabby Chic is how beautifully it lends itself to DIY projects. You don't need to splurge on expensive decor, instead you can create your own masterpieces. Consider making your own tree ornaments from salt dough, painted in pastel tones, and finished with a dusting of glitter. Or upcycle old mason jars into luminaries by painting them white, wrapping them in lace, and adding tea lights inside. A fun project for the whole family could be creating personalized stockings. Use neutral tone fabrics like linen or burlap and decorate them with lace, buttons, or even hand-sewn patches. These handmade touches add a layer of warmth and personality that store-bought decorations just can't replicate. Are you enjoying these ideas for a shabby chic Christmas? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content like this. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. What's your favorite part of shabby chic holiday decor? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. The Christmas tree is the heart of holiday decor, and with a shabby chic style, it becomes a work of art. Opt for a flocked tree to mimic the look of freshly fallen snow. Decorate it with ornaments in whites, blush pinks, and metallics like rose gold or silver. Add strings of pearls as garlands and finish with a delicate lace tree topper. For the tree skirt, skip the traditional red and green and go for a soft linen or a faux fur rug in white or beige. It's these little details that tie the theme together and make your tree the star of the show. When it comes to entertaining, extend the shabby chic theme to your dining table. Use a vintage lace tablecloth as your base and layer it with mismatched china in pastel colors. Centerpieces can include mason jars filled with eucalyptus and baby's breath, surrounded by white candles. Add hand-lettered place cards or tags tied with twine to make each guest feel special. Your gift wrapping can also be part of the decor. Use craft paper tied with lace or satin ribbons, and embellish with sprigs of greenery or small pine cones. It's a small touch that makes a big impression. Transform your living area into a haven of comfort and charm. Use a weathered wooden table for your Christmas feast and cover it with a lace tablecloth or runner. Add vintage candlesticks, mason jar centerpieces, and a scattering of pine cones dusted with white paint. Your chairs can be dressed up with burlap sashes tied in bows. For extra coziness, drape soft throws and pillows in pale hues across sofas and armchairs. A fireplace adorned with eucalyptus garlands, fairy lights, and antique mirrors becomes the centerpiece of your shabby chic sanctuary. Ultimately, a shabby chic Christmas is about more than just beautiful decor. It's a celebration of love, tradition, and creativity. It's about finding joy in the little things, a carefully placed ornament, a handmade wreath, or the glow of candlelight. It's a chance to slow down, savor the season, and craft a holiday that feels uniquely yours. As you decorate your home this year, remember, it's not about how much you spend but the memories you create. With Shabby Chic, every crack in the paint and every mismatched detail tells a story of warmth, love, and timeless beauty. So light those candles, sip your cocoa, and surround yourself with vintage charm. May your Shabby Chic Christmas be as enchanting and heartwarming as the holiday itself. Merry Christmas, and may your season be filled with joy, peace, and endless creativity.